Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to cook octopus from Costco. First, carefully unwrap your octopus, which typically weighs around 2 pounds, and rinse it thoroughly under cold running water. You will want to check for any residual debris or grit, ensuring it is perfectly clean. This initial preparation sets the stage for a tender and delicious meal, making sure every bite is enjoyable and grit-free. After rinsing, submerge the octopus in a pot of cold water and bring it to a gentle simmer over medium heat. Let it cook for approximately 30 minutes, maintaining a light boil, to begin the tenderizing process. You can add a cork from a wine bottle to the water, as some believe this aids in softening the meat. The goal here is to partially cook the octopus, preparing it for deeper flavors later. Once the octopus is par-cooked, drain the water and move it to a clean pot with new, flavorful liquids. Add aromatics like several cloves of crushed garlic, 2 or 3 bay leaves, and a teaspoon of whole black peppercorns. Pour in a cup of dry white wine and 2 cups of chicken or vegetable broth. Braise the octopus gently for another 45 minutes to 1 hour, allowing it to absorb these wonderful flavors and become even more tender. Let the octopus cool completely in its braising liquid once it is fully tender. This helps it retain moisture. When ready to serve, remove it from the liquid and pat it very dry with paper towels. For a perfect finish, brush the octopus with olive oil and grill it over medium-high heat for about 3 to 4 minutes per side, until slightly charred and crisp. Alternatively, sear it in a hot pan for a similar delightful texture.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.